Guys, I've just created a super cool automation that's going to be able to give you 5,000 lookalike companies 100% for free in less than 3 minutes. After you submit this form, which is literally just your email lookalike website, you're going to receive an email that looks like this. Your CSV export is ready. We found 660 companies that look like a Fonto. Download lookalikes. When you download the lookalikes, it's going to give you a sheet that looks something like this. As you can see, we've got 4,000 plus companies. This got the name. It has the description of these companies. So if you want to do AI enrichment, anything really cool like that, we can do that. We've got the domains. We've got the LinkedIn URL. And you can do this for any website. And so we've got 4,698 for oracle.com. I tested with a bunch of other companies. And actually, we're going to be starting another one for canva.com so that I can show you how awesome these lookalikes are. By the way, the only reason we're able to rival the paid services such as Ocean.io, etc., is because I'm actually using the backend of some of these multi-million-dollar companies, right? I'm using the backend to deliver this free service, but I'm able to do it at scale because I run an agency, and so the data is cheaper for me, and so I'm able to give that to you guys. At a lower cost, right? And so this is the secret sauce. So these are the APIs that are running in the background that are allowing us to do this. We're storing it in sheets and then sending an email. Let's do a quick run so that I can show you how this looks. So we go to afonto.com/leads. You can basically look at this. We've got the preview of what you're going to be receiving, and then we input our email. So I'm going to put my own email over here, and then we're going to do canva.com, right? And so when we do canva.com, it's essentially going to send us a message saying that we should check our email in 3 minutes. And in the background, this automation is going to start working. So as you can see, we've got a task over here, and then we're working on the secret sauce. So right now, it's finding all of those lookalikes. And it obviously takes some time because the AI has to work in the background and do a whole bunch of stuff that is not relevant for this video. But that's how we're getting all of these lookalikes. And by the way, we are also storing them inside Google Drive. And so as you can see, we've got an empty Google Drive right now. I've just deleted it, deleted all of the ones that were previously here. But in a second over here, you're going to see that we get a new sheet, and we're actually going to be looking at this live to see how well it compares to Canva, because you'll be shocked. It's amazing. By the way, I created the design for the email inside BeFree.io. I use this for everything. So my weekly reports to clients, my anything related to email. In fact, I created this extension leveraging BeFree. So this extension helps me do my internal tasks. I used BeFree to create it. And so that's how I'm creating this stuff. Let's go back to the automation over here and let's see where it's got. So it's got a 60-second delay. And this is because all of those companies are populating right now. So we've got 5,000, right? I'm trying to give as much value as possible completely for free. And so that's why it takes a little bit of time. But in a few seconds here, it should be done. And we do another 15-second delay because, again, we want to make sure that when people say they want these CSVs, they're actually going to get them. By the way, this is what my inbox looks like. We'll go to my inbox right now and we'll refresh it. As you can see, I currently have how many emails is that? I currently have 3 emails. I had seen it before, but in a second over here, we're going to actually get a third one, right? So we've got 3, and when we go back to the drive folder over here, we've also got a brand new one. So canva.com lookalikes, right? And we've also got the CSV, which is we've also got the email, which is your CSV export is ready. So as you can see, your CSV export for canva.com, boom, 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 download lookalikes. It's going to give you this over here. But this is going to essentially rival what you're going to be getting on other platforms. I'm literally using the exact same backend. So whatever Ocean.io is using, I'm using that stuff as well. So whatever they're giving you for their lookalikes, this is the same thing that I'm giving you, except you're getting it completely for free. 5,000 lookalike companies. Go test it out for yourself. afonto.com/leads.